Township Entrepreneurs Stories is a web series proudly brought to you by T. We profile small businesses nationwide that are providing services and products ekasi.
Hi everyone, my name is Thembinkosi Maluka. I'm from Nelspruit Bogweni. I'm the founder and CEO of Skybright washing powder. So we started Skybright washing powder 2021. It was right after we shut down my first business where we did recycling. So we returned to start manufacturing the washing powder. The reason was because we've noticed that around is only the big brands. You know, most of people they do manufacture dishwashing liquids, handy, but then there was just a gap of a washing powder. And then we go about conducting our research, finding the right formulas. Lucky for us, we found a training with CEDA, chemical manufacturing. We make the product. I can say it's same of quality, if not best, than the bigger brands. So we didn't end there, and then last year we decided to add a fabric softener. We added an air freshener, and it's also moving. And our plan is to manufacture another 4 or 5 extra products for this year, and that's our goal. And to go to the big retailers, we are waiting for SAPS results so we can be accredited. They are already busy testing it, so hopefully we'll get them around March. And then you will see our products in the big retailers. So we understood that we need to be accredited in order for us to compete with the multinationals and the big giants.